Lava.
Lava.
That is vinegar. What is it?
Vinegar.
All right. Pour your baking soda, the white powder, pour that into your pumpkin.
Okay.
Pour the baking soda, the white powder, all of it. Dump the whole thing into your pumpkin. Great.
You don't need to get any more out. You just need
No, you don't need any more seeds out. Dump your baking soda into your pumpkin. Good job.
Give any more instructions.
All right, got it? Okay, take your lava. Be careful. Pour your lava into your pumpkin.
It's supposed to do that in the bay. Oh gosh, yours did awesome.
What's it doing?
Oh, it's a volcano.
What did it do? It exploded. It erupted. What do you think, William?
You scared him. He jumped back.